I'll walk you through the steps to verify your LinkedIn account, making your profile more authentic and trustworthy. First, go to linkedin.com, click the Me icon on the top bar of LinkedIn, then select View Profile from the drop-down menu. Next to your name, look for the Verify Now button and click it. This will start the verification process. So LinkedIn requires the LinkedIn app on your mobile device for verification. Once you open the LinkedIn app on your phone, you'll receive instructions to verify using Persona. Follow the steps, which may include scanning a QR code and completing verification on your phone. So LinkedIn offers three main types of verification. So first, we have the identity verification. This is about confirming your identity using a government-issued ID. This service, provided by partners like Clear or Persona, varies by location. Second is workplace verification. So you verify your employment by confirming your work email using Microsoft Entra Verified ID or having a LinkedIn Recruiter license. The third one is educational verification. So you verify your association with an educational institution using your school email or a LinkedIn Learning license. So follow any remaining prompts and review your information. Once complete, a verification badge will appear on your profile next to your name, indicating verified information.